Red now taking the lead for the first time since autonomous. 117-106. Minute and a half left to go. Red trying to build that lead up as much as they can in the final seconds of their shift. Minute 20 left to play now. We're shifting back over to the blue side of the field. Blue comes charging back with a huge blitz of fuel into that hub for the Blue Alliance as Blue retakes the lead, 169-146. Another big volley of fuel from the Eagle Alliance there. 1388 out of Royal Grant. Quickly scooping up more fuel while Paradox goes hunting for fuel from the midfield. 1388 and non-guy, 2102 another. They now lead 208-149. Red Alliance needing to answer back here in their shift. They need to take the lead as we are taking closer and closer to the endgame portion of this match. Nomad on the hot of fuel there on the red side. 294 missing a bunch of shots there. Up close, Nomad's arcing shots, trying to